Okay, so this is we created. I'll delete it and we'll do it again. Okay, so it got deleted, and now let's try again. Okay, so I got one created with the test, and this is the location, and we get the record in respective folders. So this is how we structure our data for the normal location. Now we will see how to save the data for tags, because for each tag we need to go through all this process again. So we need to see how we are going to do that one. So let me open the Dreamweaver and let's go to food donation create.js. Okay, so here I am putting the data into the Firebase. Now I will go into and I will put it this same kind of data in the tags. So before I go into the tags, if you see my tags are coming comma separated. So we need to first take each tag separately. So there will be test 1, test 2. So there will be comma separated tags will be there. So we have to first isolate the tags. So to isolate the tags, we will use for example, I will say, so for example, I will say var tags is equal to, now what is the tags? Tags is saved in the this dot state dot tags. So we will say var tags equal to this dot state dot tags. So this is my tags. Okay. Now this is the variable which supported tags. Now we have to isolate each tag. So user will put tag like this, test 1, test 2. We have to isolate all these tags separately. So let's do that one. Let's put it here, and then we will move it down. Just I don't want to put in Firebase again and again when I am developing. So I will do it here and I'll return it here. And afterwards I will remove the return part so that I can go through all other parts after I'm done with my coding. So I will put the tags equal to this dot state dot tags. If I want to separate out all the tags, that test 1 should be separate, test 1 should be separate, test 2 should be separate. So what I have to do, I have to use one of the JavaScript command that is called the split. If I use split and I want to split on the comma, what it will do, it will take the tags and it will split on the comma and make this tags as an array. So let's say if I do console.log of tags are tags, so you will see how the tags are splitted. And I will also show you if I will put this normal state tags. So this will be the comma separated and this will be the array. So let's test that one. Okay, so this I will put. Okay, let's put in the tags test 1, test 2, and then I will click submit. You will see this initial one is comma separated as user is putting, and once I use split one, I am getting array of this all tags. So I am getting each tag separately 1, 2, 3. So this tags is nothing but the array of the tags. Now I will loop this tags. So what I will do, so here I have to first maybe say, here I have to put some checking if tag dot tags dot length is greater than 0. That means we have some tags. If it's 0 or less than 0, that means tags is empty. So that means I will check if tags array has some element. That's the reason I'm putting tags dot length is greater than 0. Then go through all the tags. So I will use for loop, and here I will say var I equal to 0. I is less than tags dot length, because we have to check how many tags are there. So there are 3 tags, so we have to loop 3 times. So I'm saying I will say tags dot length and I plus plus. So this will run through each tag, and I can see what is the tags for each tag. Console.log tag is, and I will say tags of I. If you notice this one is having space also, because I'm giving a space after the comma. We don't need the space. We want to remove the space from here and here. So how to remove the space? To remove the space, I will say var, for example, tag is equal to, it will be tags of I number, and then I will say dot trim. Once I say trim, it will remove all the space, and after it remove the trim, I will show this tag to the user first, and then we will save it. Okay, what is giving the error? This is colon, it should be semicolon. So now if I type something, x1, x2, x3, so you will see tag 1 is tag, okay, I have to type this tag, not the tag I, because I'm trimming this and I want to show trim value. So let's do it here. X1, x2, x3, and I can see tag 1 is separate, tag 2 is separate, tag 3 is separate. So we separated out all this tag. So that one was the first tag. Now what I will do, I have this tag. Now we have to create a URL which will be similar to the one which we created here. So we have tag. I will take this one and I will put it below now. Okay, so now we have individual tag here. So if user put 10 tags, it will be individually here, displayed it here. And so I can use individual tag in further processing. So maybe you can put this one and then we'll move. Tag is tag. So just check this tag in your, just check this tag if it's coming properly or not. Maybe you can put it below, above Firebase, or put it below and then later on we will delete it from the Firebase. So you can put anywhere, just test out whether tag is coming correctly or not. Tony, is it done? Okay, let's move further. Tony, are you done?
I'm not seeing. I can see it in my Firebase,
Okay.
but I
Okay.
don't see it in the console log.
Okay, let's complete this and then I will debug with you what is the problem. Let's complete this part. Now how the structure will be this, let me explain the structure. You put the code and we will see it. We will check what is wrong with the code. So now what will be the structure of this one? So we have data. Inside data we have, okay, can you mute yourself and then unmute when you talk? Okay, so the structure will be like this. Still I'm able to hear. Okay. So now how the data will be structured? I will have data. Inside data, we have the post and we have numerous key and value pair. Second is we have county, we have country, we have city, we have state, and we have users where each user's data will be saved. For the tags, I will create one tree called as tags, and inside that we will put the tag. For example, Indian or food or taste 1 and taste 2. So this tag will come inside the data. So we have that tag inside the data. And what we will do for each tag, we will create different link. We will make a county, country, city, state, so what we will do for each tag, we will be having this kind of structure. Put this for food also. Let's put this for food also. Let's put this for taste 2 also. So when user will search for tag Indian and the county, for example, Santa Clara County, so we will go this path, tags Indian county. But if user will choose the country inside the Indian, so it will go tags Indian and country, and inside the country we will be having same structure like we have here in the beginning. So for a state we will be having this structure, city we will be having this structure. This all structure will be copied same way inside each of the country, county, state and state. And I will also put one more kind of, I can say, all post. All post will be something if user choose this Indian but user does not choose the location, then we will go to the all posts to get all the posts related to Indian. It will be all over the world. So it's not based on the country, state like. So every tag will have this all post also. So we have to build a structure like this. So what I will do, I will create first a URL. So I will say var. Let's build a structure URL. So I will say var tag URL is equal to, I will take first this base path plus inside base path I want data. So I will say data. Inside data I want tags. So I will say inside data I will start with the tags. And inside tags, what I want? Inside tags, what I want? I want this tag. So inside tags, I will say tag. Okay. And inside that, inside this tag, we will be following this whole structure, what we have like here. So I will copy this and I will paste it here. And instead of this path, I will use the tag URL. And I'll say plus country. This will be my first URL, tag URL and country. Then second URL will be tag URL state. Third will be tag URL country, county. Fourth will be tag URL city. All this data will remain same, but we are putting this data now inside the tag URL. We are not putting directly inside the data. We are putting inside the tag URL because each tag will have different one. And one more tag we want for this all post. So let's copy one for all post. So it will be all, maybe I can say all tag posts. Okay, let's now run it and see how it is created. So I'll put title. And here I will say Indian food. And I can say Mexican. Whatever I want, I can say. If I click submit, it will go through the Firebase as I discussed, as I defined. So now how many tags are there for this? How many tags are there?
3 tags.
3 tags, right? Okay. So that means this loop will run for how many times?
3 times.
3 times. And for each time, it will create the structure like this. So let's test out that one. And now I will check it in the Firebase. So I have all this already there. I have got created tags folder. Inside tags folder, I have 3 kind of food. And inside each, I have one tag post. Okay, tag post is getting US and this one. This is wrong. We will fix this tag post. Tag post should get directly this ID and key and value. US should not come. We will fix this tag post. So this city is fine. It should go till city level. This country is fine. County is fine. We are going till county. And state is fine. We are going till state. So let's say if user is searching for Indian food or food in the Oakland, so this record we will show. And if user is searching for Indian and inside the city maybe, or inside the county, Almeida, then we will show this part. And if user only if only chooses the food, does not choose the location, then we will show this one. Though we have to fix this US part. This US part is by mistake came because I copy pasted the code. So here we have all tag posts. Inside that we don't want country. We want only the unique ID and current. Now let's test out again once. tag 1, tag 2, tag 3. Now let's go here. So I will go tag 1. I will have all tag post key value pair, and city will be as it is, Texas, this county, and this is the city inside that key value pair. So this is how we build a tag kind of functionality. So either user can select only tag, or user can select tag with location. So either of it will show, I will get it. Now put this one and test out and see if you are getting in Firebase or not. So let me give you this first line also.
Here now.
So now, Tony, if your thing is not working, then I can come and help you.
Yeah, something's not right. I don't know. I don't get an error, but it's not showing in my Firebase.
Okay, let's see. So first delete the data. Let's put across. Yeah, let's try it again. Okay, show me the code first. No, don't do the go here. Show me the code in your editor. Okay, let's see. Okay, go up. Little bit up.
Go up?
Yeah. Go up. Go up. Yeah, let me see. Okay, go down now. Go down. Still down. Still down.
I'm having a hard time hearing you.
Yeah, let me see now. Wait. Tag URL is Firebase constant data tag, and you are getting the tag, and then we have all, but you are not getting. Okay, let's try now in the form. Go to the browser. Yeah.
Do a post.
Yeah, refresh the page first. Let's see. Refresh the page. Yeah, let me see. Okay, now in the console.log, just delete all. Delete all. Yeah, now try. Okay. Before you submit, delete all in the console.log. Yeah, don't click submit. Yeah, delete. Now click submit. Okay, go to Firebase. Let's see. Okay,
There's no book there.
tags is not created. Click the city. Let me see. Click what? Click the city. Yeah. Click US, PA. Okay. Click the post. Let's see what is there in the post. Click this one. Yeah. Go down. Click the location. Let me see location. Okay. This is going correct, but tag is not correct. Go to your again in your code. Go up.
To the top.
Yeah, little bit. Yeah, little bit more. Little bit more.
You got to speak up. I can't hear you.
Okay, little bit up. Yeah, that's it. Little bit down. Okay. Yeah, let me see now. So you have data, you have tags. So you have put if tags dot length less than 0. So that's the reason it's not going inside. You have to say tags dot length greater than 0 on line number 62. And no, not here. First you have to fix 62 line number. 62 line number should be line number 62. Line number 62. You are going to line number 64. Go to 62 first. Yes.
Tag length is what?
Tags dot length is greater than 0. And second line is fine. This line is fine. 63 is fine. Yeah. Now try. Add it again now. Yeah. Just click submit button. No, you have to refresh it, right? Yeah. Paste it in, go there. Folder created. Go inside tags folder now. So we have tag, inside tag we have all the structures in.
Oh, yeah, everything looks good.
Yeah.
Yeah, when I copied and pasted that over, that greater than sign had the other thing on there, and I guess I typed it in as less than.
Right. I got it. So now after user fills this form, we should redirect the user to some confirmation page. Okay, so let's create another component called as confirm. Maybe you can say confirm.js. I'll change this to confirm. And this is confirm, and here I will say H3, for example, confirm, and here I will say your post is created successfully, and I'll put the p tag, close the p tag. So when user will fill the form and we have submitted in the Firebase, after that we need to redirect to user to this page so that user can see this part, confirm your post is created successfully. So we have created this component. You can also create this component. I give in the chat, just create this component. Okay, only done. Okay, so and I will also create one link in our router, so that we should be able to go to the confirm page. So here I will create one more one called as confirm. And here I will say call the confirm component, and here I will add the confirm component. So first step is in the app.js, you need to add the confirm component, like import the confirm component, and create a router based on the confirm component. So add in the router in the app.js. Okay, create the, and then we'll go ahead. Add this import part in the app.js.
Yes, done.
Done. Okay. Tony. Is it done, Tony?
I'm just trying to find. I got something wrong. Just trying to find it.
Okay. In the app.js.
I think I found it.
Okay.
Just left off a period on the route. Yeah, I'm good now.
Okay. So now there are two ways we can redirect user to another page. One of the page is in the purely JavaScript, where we can use this command. I put it in the chat. Another way is in the render function, that is in the render part. We can put in the render part also in the return part inside this HTML tag, and that is called as, I will put it in the chat, where you want user to redirect to. So sometimes, this JavaScript part gives error because of some, it's not able to access it, or it's not able to push it properly. There are some hardcore rules where it gives the error, or it does not pushes it properly. So then we will use the redirect of the render method, second method. So I gave you two methods, and either of these two will work definitely. So if you see some console.log error in the top one, then you can use the second method in the render one. If you don't see in the top one, then you can avoid the second one, use the first one. So we will use the first one now, and we will redirect user to another page. So I'm in the create one. Once I'm done with this all cases, let me mute everyone. Okay, so now what I will do, I will redirect user to the confirm page. But before redirecting to the confirm page, I will see whether confirm page is working or not. So I will click the confirm. I'm getting this confirm page successfully. Though we have to edit the CSS, it's not the correct CSS. We are putting something wrong CSS. We need to fix that one, but right now that's not our job. Our goal is now to at least show the confirm page after user has put all these details. So I will use the first method now, that is this.props.history.push. So once user has put all this data, redirect user to confirm page. And then I will say this.props.history.push contact in the contact one called as push/contact. So instead of /contact, I will say /confirm because we are going to the confirm one. Let's test out this condition. I will delete the data to see whether data is coming here or not. Okay, now I will go here and I will go to create page. And inside create page, I will create test. Test 1, test 2, test 3, 4. Once I click submit, you will see I'm redirected to confirm page, and I'll check in the Firebase. My tags is created with all related things. My user is created. My post is created. My stage is created, state, my country, county, everything is going fine. So that means, so this is the last line after you put all the redirect steps, all the Firebase steps, you have to just call this one. So let me know once you're done with this confirm part. You have to put this in the end. I'll delete this console.log of tag. So now when user fill all the detail, we will send the user to confirm page, and we have to fix the CSS in the confirm page, which we will do some other day. Right now, at least we are able to send the user to confirm page. So that's it for today. We finished the tag part. On Monday, we will try to display it to the user. So we will be building this home page on Monday. That is this part. So we will do the search part. We will do the browsing part on Monday. Any questions?